Investing $5,000 wisely can potentially generate returns over time. Here's a strategy to consider. Diversify your investments. Rather than putting all your money into one asset, spread it across different investment vehicles to mitigate risk. Consider allocating funds to stocks, bonds, ETFs, or mutual funds. Research and choose stocks. Research companies with strong fundamentals and growth potential. Look for established companies with solid track records or promising startups in growing industries. Consider using a portion of your funds to invest in dividend-paying stocks for additional income. Consider index funds or ETFs. If you're new to investing or prefer a hands-off approach, consider investing in low-cost index funds or ETFs that track broader market indices like the S&P 500. These offer diversification and typically have lower fees compared to actively managed funds. Invest in bonds. Bonds provide fixed income and stability to your portfolio. Consider investing in a mix of government bonds, corporate bonds, or municipal bonds based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Stay informed and rebalance. Monitor your investments regularly and rebalance your portfolio as needed to maintain your desired asset allocation. Stay updated on market trends, economic indicators, and any changes in your investment strategy. Consider tax-advantaged accounts. Maximize contributions to tax-advantaged accounts like IRA or 401k if eligible. These accounts offer tax benefits that can help your investments grow faster. Stay patient and invest for the long term. Investing is a long-term endeavor. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations and stay committed to your investment strategy.